Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val, but this is how you do it. I had this box of cookie dough in the cabinet, and I just said, well, maybe I'll cook this today. And now all it calls for is, well, I guess the dough. Let me put it in. Well, shoot. Try to open it up here. Shouldn't be no great mystery in that. Let's see what it's doing in here. Thing of dough. Let's see, can we open it up and dump it in here? It's got chocolate chips in it. Of course, you've seen what it is. It's chocolate chip cookies. Supposed to be already mixed. Supposed to be an easy way to do it, y'all. And then they say use a stick of softened butter. 1 stick, let's see, which I had it sitting out for over 2 hours. An egg, room temperature. Let's see, pop that open. Drop that off in there. Okay, set that to the side. And it says 1 thing of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So I'm just going to pour this in here. Spoon out the drawer, 1 tablespoon. And then it say 1 tablespoon of oil. I put some oil in here, canola oil. Just, I guess that's about to do it. And I guess we mix it together. And see how that works. Never did it like this before, so maybe I should have mixed all the wet ingredients first. But it's a done deal now. Oh yeah, you do use water. You use 1/3 cup of water. See, I was thinking that was not wet enough, because I couldn't do nothing with that. Trying to get exact measurements, y'all. But you do supposed to mix all the wet ingredients together first before you put the meal in it, the flour in it. So. But this is Val, and this is how she do it. Because I was thinking when I was doing it before, it looked like it was going to mess the cookies. I mean, not the cookies, but the dough up. The chocolate chips, rather. If I kept doing it the way I was doing it. I'm going to get that butter all mixed up in there. And then it says when you get it all the way you want it, you take a spoon of it and you place it in your pan. First, you got to preheat your oven. Let's see what it say preheated at 325 degrees. And you let the cookie sit in there for about 11 to 13 minutes. I hope it tastes all right, y'all, since I done mixed the wet ingredients first, but it does smell good. Okay, that's a piece of dough here. It says drop it in there like this. And drop another one in there. Now, I'm just showing you this pan. I'm going to take another pan out because I don't have a cookie sheet. This is my cake pan. And I just don't want it to spread out like I'm making a cake though. But if it do, then we'll just cut it, right? Right. And we're going to put this in the oven. Let's time it to 11 to 13 minutes. We're going to put it on 13. Stick it in the oven. And we'll see you back here. I knew this would happen. That we would have a cake on our hands. But the good thing about this is we can cut it any way we want it. And what I'm going to do is go around here like this. So if you want to make, I would say, chocolate chip cookies for your kid, hey, no matter what shape they are, baby, they will love them. And you just let them cool. You're letting them cool because you want them to be able to come out. They have cooled off some. Let's try to take one out. In the bottom of the plate. Oh, y'all don't see this, do you? Now these are easy cookies. Even if you don't know how to make cookies from scratch, or you can't follow a recipe perfectly, If you get these cookies, you can't go wrong. And I just showed you, no matter if you do the wet ingredients and put everything together, it still turns out perfectly. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Hot chocolate chip cookies. And I had to put that down. Cut this off. So don't you forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share the easiest cookies in the world. Bye-bye now. Chocolate chip.